Survival Seeds 2025, hosted by VC Family Homestead, Lazy Days Ahead, and Bushcraft Family. Hi, it's Gail with Gail Southern Living. Today I'm making some compost tea outside. So I added some, basically it's wild lettuce, like a weed basically. I added a couple, 2 or 3 I think of those, some banana peels and some coffee grounds, and I'm making my own compost tea. Now you can either let it rain in here and use rainwater, or if you do water it with your water hose, you can let it set for several days and the chlorine will work its way out. So I'm making some compost tea. Any more suggestions as to what I should put into it? Like I said, I put some weeds, some banana peels, and some coffee grounds. And I'm also suggesting rainwater. So let me know if you have any more suggestions, what you think might go in to this compost tea bucket. So I had just bought these buckets and I was going to plant them, and I said, you know what? I need to keep one bucket intact that I can use for just compost tea. I'm going to leave this kind of in the middle of the yard so that if it does rain, it can rain directly into the bucket. So after I empty it, I'm going to start adding to it again and just keep a compost tea going. Let me know what you think. Should it be out in the sun or should it be in the shade? Let me know what you think about that. Give me some comments in the comments about compost tea. So I have done compost tea before, but I don't think I did it last year, but I definitely want to try to make my own compost tea fertilizer this year. Be sure to let this steep for at least 48 hours and stir it maybe a couple of times a day. And when you're picking what weeds you're going to use from your garden or your yard, pick something with a deep root, because the deeper it goes, the more minerals you get in your compost tea. Oh, look at these sunflowers grow. Don't they look awesome, guys? I'm going to have a massive amount of sunflowers. And there's a couple of varieties right here. And in this section, there's about 4 different varieties sunflowers. This one right here, I remember from last year, is the Mexican sunflower. So I've got a few of those in here, and I also have some basil to help protect these sunflowers from the bugs that happen to love them. So let's see if we get a good season of sunflowers this year. You guys have a great day. Be blessed. Be kind, guys.